My name's Steve Johnson. I'm the quality team leader for my manufacturing plant. We have 5 manufacturing plants in North America, and all of them are using Qualtrax. For us, we use it almost strictly for document control, and it has made things much easier with our document control. We don't have to chase paper copies everywhere anymore like we did before, and so that's probably the biggest benefit. The way that Qualtrax has helped us manage our quality and also compliance information is it's given us a vehicle to store all of our data and make sure we have the latest revisions of everything. We're able to adopt Qualtrax easily among all the employees by having workstations set up in each of the manufacturing areas and in each of the workstations, and we are able to bring the work instructions right to our employees and have a point of reference. They didn't have to go chase down documents and copies to do their job or do learn a procedure. I would recommend Qualtrax to others in the industry just for ease of document control, which is what we're primarily using Qualtrax for. We've been able to pay for Qualtrax by having reduced numbers of nonconformances in our audits. A lot of companies, when they have nonconformances, it takes a lot of time and effort to go back and correct those, and by stopping or not having them in the first place, it saved us a lot of money. The departments that have benefited the most by having Qualtrax are our manufacturing operations out on the plant floor, but also in our purchasing operation and our R&D operation. We have documented stage gates that we can access very easily. We are audited by UL, we're audited by Factory Mutual, and we're also ISO 9000, 2000 registered, and we're audited by a registrar with that. And with ISO, we have 2 audits a year. With UL, we have 1 audit a year, and Factory Mutual, we have 4 audits a year. And then we also have OSHA audits and things like that. So by having all of our documents or all of our ducks in a row with our document control, it makes it much easier in the audit process. Our audit prep time has been reduced by not having to worry about going out and chasing down uncontrolled documents. Documents on the floor. We know where the documents are. We know they're the right revision, and so it's taken one huge problem off our shoulders. Since using Qualtrax, we've had fewer findings in our audits, and almost all of that has centered around document control and having the correct revisions being used by the plant personnel. It's very easy to use the search function in Qualtrax. We have 5 manufacturing plants, and each plant has their own set of procedures and own set of work instructions. If one plant needs to create a work instruction, they can go out and look at the other plant's work instructions. You may not know where it is in a document tree, but all they have to do is go and search either the name of the document or the content. You can take a document in Qualtrax and say this word or phrase is in that document, and the search feature will find it for you. Qualtrax technical support team was helpful in the fact that they always answered the question. They didn't always know the answer right away, but they always answered it. So they would research questions that we had that they didn't know the answer and get back to us, so that we always got an answer back.